Hello everyone, I'm Shauxia from Luhua Electronics. In this issue, I will take you to understand Luhua Electronics for product shipment. What details? Arrangements. First, each batch of goods has a corresponding packing quantity and quantity number. For example, this box is 28 to 28. Then there are 28 minus 25 in each box. After receiving the goods, to find all the goods in the first time, then let's take a look at a specific label, hotel name, and also corresponding to the products of which room type. Then for each room type, there is a specific details. It's convenient for the hotel on site. Correctly find the corresponding goods quickly. Let's take a look at the packaging of our single product. Clearly see the corresponding room type and a corresponding room number. It also shows what kind of product is packaged inside. All the switches in the corresponding room products. They won't be installed randomly or wrongly. A duplicate copy of for each type. In each room, how many switches are there? Each switch detail, how many quantities it corresponds to. Hotel customers, after receiving the goods on site, to check the entire batch of goods clearly. The above for protections can ensure that the site it will not disrupt their overall opening time plan. It can also further prove to the hotel that this batch of goods deliver all the goods. Okay, let's talk about other details next time. Other small details. Bye-bye.